Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video. I'm going to be showing you the homeowner's guide on how to change your oil. So this is just a normal residential mower that a lot of homeowners have. It's all the same on every mower. It's basically the same thing unless you have an older mower. For me, I just have this SR4 here. And I'm going to be showing you how to change that oil. So you're just going to, should be an oil cap on the same side as your muffler. Right there. And that side is where this black, sometimes yellow, you want to unscrew that. And you will this should come out. And you will see crosshairs. That's what they call them. Crosshairs. Okay, so your oil line, if you're just checking your oil should be at the top of the crosshairs. If it's over by a little bit, like right there, that's fine. But if you got, if you got it over like that, you got to dump some out. But you want to probably have it in between the middle and the top of the crosshairs. In between the middle and the top. That is the sweet spot. Grab a rag, you clean it off, and make sure before you start to check your oil and stuff, you leave that engine running for about 5 minutes to get it warmed up. And then once you've done that, you screw it back in. And then you take it back out again. It's a double check. And then, see, that shows me that is the level of the oil. And shout out to Caleb's Mowing Official. Good luck to you. I hope your business succeeds in every way possible. Side note, you grab some kind of container. It could be an empty Gatorade bottle. It could be whatever. I just have this thing right here because every container I've had, I've put oil into. But have I had the brains to think to get an oil pan whenever I'm at Home Depot? No. So, you're going to want to tip the oil. Well, you're going to want to tip the mower over. Do not let this spill out onto the deck. That is big. That's not a big problem, but it stains your mower deck, and that's not what you want. So you're gonna want to set that under there. Did oil come out? It's gonna take me a second, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. All right, now I got all the oil. Look at how black that is. It's hot too. Ow. You do not want that black oil. You want that yellowish, oily color when it comes out of the bottle. But then for the oil, I'm just using the Toro 10W30 SAE Premium Engine Oil. It's good for, obviously, Toros. This is Toro. I had to double check. Yeah, so it doesn't have to be the brand that the mower is. It just has to be, you want it to be 10W30 oil. That is the oil you want, 10W30. 10W30. Get that in. Then I have a funnel, but I don't want to go get it. So just pour it in. You want to pour probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 of it, like, going. And then check. You'll see it, like, go. I should have let that oil sit at the bottom, but I'm gonna check it. See how full it is. A lot of times I'm wrong with this. Usually I think, oh, it's getting too full. And then I got literally to the bottom of it. But then I'm like, I know that I do that. So then I try to put more in. And then it's still not enough. Because I don't want to have to tip it back over again. Dude, that thing. Did I put too much in? I have loud neighbors. And you're gonna wanna, gee, I think I might have put just the right amount in. That is insane. No way that's right. I keep checking, but why not? Either I like don't have any in there, or now that I am sure I have it in the crosshairs, I put the dipstick back in. And you might be wondering, what do I do with this oil? Well, most likely your city or a city around your city has an oil disposal center. So you just go there, and you might have to pay a few bucks, but then you ask them what to do from there, and they should take it from you and then give you the thing back. And then yeah, you're done. Another thing, Toro, is that out of all the spaceship technology you have, personal space, Versa Ride, Serpu Cycle, all of this Multra Charge, like, level your wheels. Anyway, that is it for this video. Subscribe, and another shout out to Caleb's Mowing Official.